Okay. So first question is, you have to arrange the words. See, every word represents one option. Okay. A is represented by left, B is the, C is house, D is he, E is suddenly. If you're unable to understand, we can just do this. Yes, this is much better. You have to arrange them to form a meaningful sentence. This is a very small example of how questions come into your written examinations. Okay, ये बहुत ही छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल है आपका, जहाँ पर दिखा रहे हैं कि आपको कैसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं एग्जाम में. You have to form a meaningful sentence. See, here there are words
मैम इसका
given.
डी से स्टार्ट होगा. ऑप्शन नंबर 3.
Okay. Option number 3. Okay. Okay, let's see if it is correct. And before we go through that, I want to mention that यहाँ पर आपको सिर्फ एक ऑप्शन में एक ही वर्ड दिया गया है. This is a very easiest example of this type of question. ऐसे questions कैसे आएंगे आपको एग्जाम में? You will be given a part of the sentence. That means आपको clauses या phrases दिए होंगे sentences में, जिनको आपको एक meaningful sentence बनाने के लिए arrange करना होगा. Understood? Second, you will be given 3-4 sentences with 4 or 5 options, and you have to arrange it into a meaningful paragraph. Okay, ये बहुत ही simple example है इसका कि किस तरह के questions इसमें आते हैं. Okay, so we have one option, one vote for option 3. Anyone else who would like to solve, or we can go ahead by solving this? This is very easy. You just have to form a meaningful sentence. Okay, if no one is getting any answers, I'm not getting any answers from anyone else. Okay, 3 is the correct answer. That will be your DEABC. He suddenly left the house. That is your answer. This is your second question. You have to find the word that is correctly being spelled. जो सही spelling है इस word की, वो आपके पहचाननी है. Which option has the correct spelling of the word? The word is recommendation. Try to find the correct meaning of correct spelling of.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चे. Is there anyone in the classroom? I'm again asking. Just let me know if there's anyone in the classroom. Okay. So this is your question number 2. You have to find the correct spelling of the word recommendation. आपका जो वर्ड होता है रिकमेंडेशन, उसका आपको सही मीनिंग, सही स्पेलिंग जिस ऑप्शन में है, यू हैव टू चूज दैट ऑप्शन. वी आर डिस्कसिंग फ्यू क्वेश्चंस दैट कम इन योर रिटन एग्जामिनेशन. जो भी आपके क्वालिफाइंग रिटन एग्जामिनेशन होते हैं, उसमें जिस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, वी आर गोइंग थ्रू फ्यू एग्जांपल्स एंड सिंपलर क्वेश्चन. आई माइट ऐड, ये बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, बहुत हार्ड लेवल नहीं है जो आपके एक्चुअल एग्जामिनेशन में आते हैं. दिस इज जस्ट फॉर प्रैक्टिस पर्पस कि किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आपके आते हैं. इफ यू कीप ऑन रिवाइजिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, इट विल बी इजियर व्हेन यू गो थ्रू द एक्चुअल एग्जामिनेशन. तो उस टाइम आपको हड़बड़ाने की जरूरत नहीं रहेगी. सो वी आर डिस्कसिंग सम ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इन द क्लासरूम. क्वेश्चन आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आपका था, जो आंसर हो चुका है, बट स्टिल सम पीपल हैव जॉइंड लेट. तो यहाँ पर देखिए, क्वेश्चन आपका है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 था that you have to formulate a meaningful sentence using the options with correct format. Okay, आपका करेक्ट सीक्वेंस क्या होगा उसमें आपको अरेंज करना था. Since it is very easy because only one word is given for each option. हालांकि आपके जो भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम रहेंगे उसमें आपको या तो फ्रेजेस या क्लॉजेस दिए जाएंगे पूरा सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए, या फिर आपको सेंटेंसेस दिए जाएंगे एक पैसेज बनाने के लिए. So no need to get confused that this is a very easy question and this will come examination we can get through. But this is just an example of what kind of question comes. Answer is D. Okay. Sorry, answer is 3. D, E, A, B, C. He suddenly left the house is your correct sentence. Question number 2 is you have to find the correct spelling. Which word is spelled correctly? वर्ड जो है वो आपका रिकमेंडेशन है, इसका करेक्ट स्पेलिंग किस ऑप्शन में गिवन है ये आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. कैन आई गेट द आंसर? एंड प्लीज डोंट ट्राई टू सर्च इट, ट्राई ऑन योर ओन which one could be the correct answer. Which one could be the correct answer? Okay, I have um, okay, Abhimanyu, I have your answer. Let's see if it is correct or not. Can anyone else answer? If you want to keep it anonymous, you can answer in the chat box. आप मेरे को पर्सनल chat box में यहाँ पर आंसर दे सकते हैं if you don't want others to see your answer. Okay, this much time should not be required. Just at least you can guess which one is the correct option. कौन सा करेक्ट हो सकता है आपके हिसाब से, एक बार सोच के देखिए. Which one would be the correct spelling of recommendation? Okay, I'm getting two types. Okay, I'm getting so many answers in the chat box. Okay, Aman, you can choose only one option, बच्चे. One option at a time. Okay. Okay, so correct answer would be option second. Option 2 is your correct spelling of recommendation. I can just color code it so that you remember the answer. I'm doing it green so that you know the answer is correct one. Okay. Okay, so moving on to the third question. Again, you have to arrange. See here, these are parts of sentences. Okay, these are phrases you could say. These are phrases that is part of the sentence and you have to arrange it into a meaningful sentence. This is not the part of your option. I read an advertisement that said, this is not the part of option. यहाँ से option आपका शुरू हो रहा है. A, posh air conditions. B, gentlemen of taste. C, are available for. D, fully furnished room. Try to rearrange it into a meaningful sentence. How do you read an advertisement in the newspaper? Have you ever read an advertisement? Have you ever read an advertisement? आप normally सोच के देखिए, when you're selling something, okay, it might be any electronic gadget or it might be something that is related to everyday use. ठीक है? It could be anything. When you sell something, what should you keep, like what should be the primary information that you would give about that? See, the students who are joining right now, I will again tell you that we are doing some questions for the competitive examination जो आपके written test होते हैं हर एक competitive exam के, ठीक है, चाहे वो Infosys हो गया, TCS हो गया, Wipro हो गया, कोई भी competitive exam का आपका जो written test होता है उसमें जो English portion होता है उसके लिए we are doing some questions here. Okay, I'm getting the answer. Okay, 2 and 3 of students have answered correctly. Anyone else who would like to answer? You have to arrange. See, this is not the part of your sentence that you have to arrange. Okay, I read an advertisement. I read an advertisement that said, this is the starting initial sentence, initial part of your sentence. And since here, जहाँ A option start हो रहा है वहां से आपको arrange करना है, ठीक है? Okay, 4 students have answered and at least 3 of them are correct. Okay. Yes, option number 2 is correct. Posh are fully furnished rooms are available for gentlemen of taste. Okay. Again, I replied कि अगर आपने कोई भी advertisement कभी न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ा होगा, whenever you are selling some commodity, तो वहां पर आप क्या बताते हैं सबसे पहले? Whatever that commodity is providing you, ठीक है? आपका जो कस्टमर है उसको क्या मिल रहा है उस कमोडिटी में, वो चीजें आप पहले बताएंगे. So posh air conditioned fully furnished room, this is the commodity that you are advertising for. For whom are you advertising? For gentlemen of taste, are available for gentlemen of taste. Okay, so our answer is option 2. Okay, moving on. Question number 4 is again you have to find which of these words are correctly spelled. Now here 4 different words are given. यहाँ जो आपका question number 2 था उसमें आपको recommendation एक ही word था जिसकी correct spelling आपको find out करनी थी. Here 4 different words are given and you have to find which one is correctly spelled. किसकी spelling यहाँ पर correct है, you have to find out. First is treatment, second is vitamin, third is efficient, fourth is employable. Okay, I'm getting the answer. Okay, very good, very good. I'm getting the correct answer from every student. Okay. Okay, very good. A lot of students have answered correctly. 3 is your correct option. Efficient is correctly spelled in this. Treatment में आपका A नहीं आएगा. Okay, treatment is TREATMENT. Betterment again, your betterment आपका जो spelling है, you can look in the dictionary also. यहाँ पर incorrect दिखाता है, इसीलिए मैंने यहाँ पर जो रेड रेड लाइनें हैं वो हटा दी थी. ठीक है. Betterment is your and yes, bitter is bitter का मतलब क्या होता है?
कड़वाहट,
Bitter,
कड़वा,
yes, yes, it's something that is not quite good. ठीक है.
तो
bitter
मैम
मतलब कड़वा. Sorry,
सेकेंड ऑप्शन भी तो हो सकता है सही या गलत.
नहीं बच्चों, betterment is not a word. Betterment is a word. Okay.
मैम उसका मतलब तो
B
सुधार
E
होता है, बेटरमेंट
double C E R.
का मतलब तो कड़वाहट होता है.
Exactly, that is. नहीं बच्चे, bitter का मतलब कड़वाहट होता है. Bitterment is not a word. Bitterment is not a word. Bitter मतलब कड़वाहट. ठीक है. Bitter betterment होता
बिटर
है
मतलब
BE.
कड़वा और बेटरमेंट मतलब कड़वाहट.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, बिटर मतलब कड़वा ही होता है. ठीक है. बिटरमेंट ये जो वर्ड है, दिस इज नॉट अ वर्ड. ठीक है. दिस इज एन इनकरेक्ट वर्ड. ठीक है. बिटर ही वर्ड होता है. बेटरमेंट होता है BETER. सुधार करना. ठीक है. दैट इज योर करेक्ट वर्ड. एम्प्लॉयबल में क्या आएगा? व्हाट विल द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग ऑफ एम्प्लॉयबल?
ये गायब है मैम इसमें.
यस, एग्जैक्टली. EMPLOYEBLE. That is your correct spelling for employable. Okay, next is again you have to find a sequence that formulates a meaningful sentence. यहाँ पे भी देखिए, आपको यहाँ पर accurately phrases ही given है. ठीक है. accurately phrases ही given है. and again यहाँ पर then जो है, then is not the part of your arrangement. ठीक है. then वहीं पर रहेगा. then के आगे का statement जो है वो आपको arrange करना है into a meaningful sentence. See, first thing, there is nothing specific we are talking about in the sentence. ये जो sentences होते हैं, यहाँ पे कोई भी specific चीज के बारे में बात नहीं हो रही है. So you cannot find the subject here, ठीक है, an object here to formulate the correct structure. तो आपको यहाँ क्या meaningful हो सकता है? You can try the error and trial method. ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड, वो जो मेथड है वो ट्राई कर सकते हैं आप. और यू कैन गो अहेड विद द ऑप्शंस. देयर आर 4 ऑप्शंस गिवन. आप उसमें अरेंज करके देखिए विच वन साउंड्स परफेक्ट, विच वन फॉर्मुलेट्स अ मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस. Okay, I have one answer. Okay. Okay, the students who have answered, I might add that these are not correct answers. So I'm just keeping it anonymous. आपने अगर मेरे को पर्सनल मैसेज किया है, that means you want to keep it anonymous. So I'm keeping it anonymous. आपका जो आंसर है, that is not correct. I have not one correct answer. Okay, no, that is also not correct. Anyone else? No, that's not the correct answer. See, you're thinking in a way that you have already read the sentences. आपने जैसे sentences हमेशा से पढ़े हैं, you are formulating that sentence only. जबकि it is not true that that should be the format. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि वो वैसा ही रहे. Understood? There are some times when you have to give way to your, you can say, imagination. आपका जो sentence है, that not necessarily, okay, one correct answer. One correct answer I have got right now. Okay, let's see. No, that's not correct. Only one correct answer I have got till now, and I'm giving you 1 more minute. After that, I'll tell you the answer. Try to find a rhythm, okay? You don't have to see, as I told you, there is no particular subject that you are talking about in this sentence. So it is not easy to formulate a sentence this in this manner. इस टाइप के जो sentences होते हैं ना, इसमें आपको sentence का correct format बनाना मुश्किल हो जाता है, because there is no specific thing that you are talking about. तो वो किसी specific thing के बारे में बात नहीं करने की वजह से इसका format जो है वो passive active दोनों ही तरफ से हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो you are getting the answer in some other format. Okay, so the correct answer is option 4. Then it struck me how eminently suitable it was, of course. Okay, ये of course जो है, you are thinking कि of course should come forward. ठीक है, क्योंकि आपने ऐसे ही sentences पढ़ रहे हैं कि of course के बाद ही आपने something has to be there. आपने of course sentence के end में कभी पढ़ा ही नहीं वैसा शायद कुछ. So that is why you are not thinking कि of course can come afterwards. That is why you are keeping it either here or here. Of course आपका last में आएगा इस sentence में. Then it struck me how eminently suitable it was. Of course, D is your, sorry, fourth number is your correct answer. Okay, now this is something that is not a question. It is just a concept that you should know and we should discuss in the class. What is the difference between decide and decide? ये दो वर्ड हैं जहां पर it is almost similar, only the difference is one is with S and one is without S. So what is the meaning of both the words? क्या डिफरेंस हो जाता है एक में S लगने से कि एक में S नहीं लगने से? You can try and formulate a sentence if you can say, you know the partial meaning, where to use it. आपको अगर correct dictionary meaning नहीं पता है, and you know how to use this in the sentence, you can formulate the sentence also. वो sentence मुझे भेज दो. अगर आपको ये एग्जैक्ट डिक्शनरी मीनिंग नहीं समझ में आ रहा है दोनों का, तो आप जहाँ सेंटेंस में इनको यूज कर सकते हैं उस सेंटेंस में आप यूज करके मुझे एक सेंटेंस का एग्जांपल भेज सकते हैं. डिफरेंस बिटवीन डिसाइड एंड डिसाइड. Okay, that's not, you can say, completely correct. It is partially correct what you have sent me in the chat box. Okay, I'm giving you 30 seconds. If I don't get any other answer, I will discuss the answer itself. Decide और besides में क्या difference होता है, and where we can use besides में. Okay, yes, that's what I said. It is partially correct. What about besides? See, beside का मतलब होता है something on your side. ठीक है, आपके बगल में कोई बैठा है. ठीक है. Besides, yes, besides means anyway. Extra नहीं बच्चे, anyway. Like if you are saying something, जैसे आपने कुछ बहुत सारी चीजें एक साथ बता दी and उसके बाद anyway let's talk about this. So beside that यानी कि उसके अलावा. ठीक है, you are telling someone about something. ठीक है, let's say we are discussing the questions that are to come in the written examination. Beside that you have to like study for the extra questions जो आपके second round में आएंगे. ठीक है, first round is your aptitude test. Besides that यानी उसके अलावा भी और क्वेश्चन है, जैसे विप्रो में आपका the question about the essay आता है. TCS में आपको एक प्रोग्रामिंग लिखने आता है, that is your last question. ठीक है, तो besides मतलब उसके अलावा and beside मतलब बगल में. Understood? Okay, one more. There's the difference between fair and fair. Fair, fair, Fare, fair. Fair, fair and Fare, fair. What is the difference between these two? What could be the difference? Fair and fair. See, both are even pronounced same way. दोनों का pronunciation भी same है, fair and fair. See, Fair, fair means, okay, I got one answer. Yes, that's correct. Who has answered this? Abhimanyu, yes, that's correct. Fair means clean or neat, okay, and Fare, fair means your rent. ठीक है, जैसे हाँ, what is the fare of auto rickshaw in this area? ठीक है, that is your rent. and FAIR, fair means neat or clean, or you can say something that is fair enough. You answer that question, right? Fair enough का मतलब क्या हुआ कि जो भी आप कर रहे हैं वो ठीक कर रहे हैं. Okay, so you could use it either way. ठीक है, as a noun or as a verb. So if there is any doubt regarding the difference between these two words, ये दोनों ही question में decide and besides में कोई doubt है या fair and fair में कोई doubt है, so you can ask me. And before the meeting end, at least we can answer this one question. Question number 6 to 12, you have to substitute the highlighted words. यहाँ जो highlighted part है, इनके अलावा या फिर इनकी जगह पर आपको one word लगाना है. ठीक है, one word for the group of words. I don't mind talking to him about the project, but he is a person who thinks only of himself. A person who thinks only of himself. Okay, yes, I got one answer correct. Okay, one more. Okay, Manish. Okay, another one. Okay, very good. I think everyone knows this answer. Your answering correct option is 3, egoistic. A person who thinks only of himself is egoistic. Okay, so let's see if we can answer the other question also. She makes it certain that she will never fight with her best friend over a petty thing like this. Makes it certain. This is your phrase and you have to use one word for it. Make it certain or makes it certain. This is your phrase. You have to use one word for it. Okay, Pratik, which one question are you answering for? Okay, I believe the answers that I'm getting right now are for the question number 7. Yes, yes. Okay, I've got 2 answers, 2 persons who are answering the correct option, who are making the correct choices. Makes it certain का आप क्या करेंगे? Assures, ensures, scissors. What will be the correct option? Can I get 1, 2 or 3 more options correct? Okay, the correct answer for that would be, what would be the correct answer? Yes, ensure. ENSURES. That will be the correct option. Makes it certain. ये वाला ensure मतलब insurance वाला होता है. ये वाला मतलब you are making it certain that you are doing something. Okay. Question number 8 is, we visited the ancient palace yesterday. There we saw old manuscripts written by saints. We tried, but it was not clear enough to be read. It was not clear enough to be read. It was not clear enough to be read. See, even if you are searching it on net and finding the answer, the thing that I want you to make sure is never to forget the answer. अगर आप गूगल पे सर्च करके भी मुझे आंसर बता रहे हैं, तो ये आंसर आपको भूलना नहीं चाहिए, याद हो जाना चाहिए. It was not clear enough to read. You have 1 minute more. Okay, Aman, are you answering for question number 8? Okay, you can take the screenshot, zoom कर लीजिए और screenshot करके ये आंसर मुझे आप नेक्स्ट क्लास में दीजिएगा. और let me just show you the other questions also. अच्छा, there are more questions. Let's discuss this one. ठीक है, ये आप मुझे नेक्स्ट क्लास में बताइएगा which will be the correct answer. It is not clear enough to be read. इसका one word substitution क्या होगा? You can tell me in the next class. And I have taken the attendance, so no need to worry about that.